In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase productivity and communication with Google Scientific. Let's start in Gmail. If you have Gemini enabled, click Help me write whenever you're composing or replying. You can draft replies in seconds, change the tone to be more formal, friendly, or persuasive, and even pull out action items from long threads. Try a prompt like, write a follow-up email for a client who hasn't responded in 3 days. If a conversation is getting lengthy, ask, summarize this thread in bullet points, and you'll get a clean overview before you respond. The key is to be specific about your intent, who the message is for, what outcome you want, and any details the AI should include. Next, open Google Docs to create content instantly. Use AI to draft blog posts, create standard operating procedures, generate outlines, and rewrite for clarity. For example, say, create a step-by-step SOP for onboarding a YouTube client, and then refine it with your own voice and details. This is great for turning rough ideas into structured drafts you can polish quickly, saving hours of writing time while keeping your documents consistent. In Google Sheets, let AI handle analysis without wrestling with complex formulas. Ask it to explain or generate formulas, summarize data trends, and highlight anomalies. A simple request like, analyze this sales data and tell me which month performed best, gets you a clear answer fast. This works well for tracking affiliate sales, client KPIs, or insurance prospects. If you're unsure how to calculate something, ask for the exact formula and a brief explanation so you can learn as you go. Move to Google Calendar for smarter scheduling. AI can suggest meeting times, detect conflicts, generate concise meeting summaries, and create event descriptions. You can also say, schedule 3 focus blocks this week for deep work, and it will build protected time into your calendar. Keeping descriptions clear helps others prepare and keeps your schedule aligned with your priorities. During meetings in Google Meet, if enabled, turn on AI features to capture summaries, auto-generate action items, and highlight key discussion points. This reduces manual note-taking and helps your team follow through after the call. Finally, organize faster in Google Drive with AI search. Ask, find client contracts from January, or show files shared by my colleague last week to surface exactly what you need. And for daily planning, start your morning with, create a priority plan for today based on these tasks. Then paste your list. You can even paste your calendar and ask AI to optimize it for what matters most.